Hello everybody, today we make lemon ricotta pasta. For the ingredient we got pecorino cheese, fettuccine, I need just lemon, parsley, fresh ricotta. Okay, now the water boil, let's put salt, 1, 2 teaspoons, and this is the pasta, the fettuccine, and let's put it in the water. We give a little turn for the pasta. Okay, now we gotta start with the ricotta. We put these parts of the ricotta, after one time the fettuccine is cooked, we mix everything together. And this is really fresh ricotta. And we start to mix the ricotta. Make sure you don't got no gas. Because you got a gas, you cook the ricotta in come frittata. It gotta be nice, loose like that. We start to put little black pepper. And we use a little salt, and we mix it again. Okay, look at that, a nice one, it's a fresh ricotta. Look at that. Oh, gotta make sure that this, it gotta be really, really loose, you see? And you gotta use a lot of water. Now still, we leave it cook the pasta, the water gotta be a little thick with the starch. We like to put a little zest lemon on the ricotta. Got over here, look. Look at that. It's really, really good. And now, we give a little turn for the pasta, and we start to take a little water, and we put it right over here, and we turn the ricotta, because we gotta make a little more thin, because the ricotta is too thick, and we put a little more. We gotta make a nice creamy. A little more water. Okay, and for now we give turn. Okay, it looks good. Okay, now we start with the little pecorino cheese. Alright. And we give a nice turn. Look how beautiful now. Now it comes the creamy. Let's use a little parsley. And we mix all together. Oh, look how beautiful color now. Now it comes. See, now it's ricotta green. Okay, now I gotta drain the pasta, gets ready, but before I throw away the water, make sure to keep more water, okay, maybe you need. Okay? And we put this water over here on the side, because I gotta use. Now we turn the gas off for the pasta, and let's drain the pasta. And make sure to leave it run cold water on the sink, okay, you don't want to break the pipe. It's the pasta. We make sure to drain. And we put it right over here. And we mix everything. It looks nice, cremosa. Now we got more cheese. And we mix. You see how nice? I hope somebody make this, gets delicious. We use a little bit more parsley. Look at that. Oh. Okay. My fettuccine con ricotta ready. And now it's time of the test. Oh, look nice. And I like to put a little bit more cheese, a little green, you know. The ricotta, it's a really, really good taste. Chin chin e salute.